Hey guys, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today we're doing a grocery haul and I don't want you to miss it. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything. I do lots of grocery hauls, lots of cooking videos, some farm videos. You never know, some day in the life of. You never know what you're going to see, so you don't want to miss any of it. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and know how happy I am to have you here in my kitchen with me. Hey y'all, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I am so glad you're here. I'm getting ready to share with you guys a grocery haul. Of course, if you've watched me any length of time, you know I do usually Aldi and Walmart and sometimes Food Line, but today it's just Aldi and Walmart. I'm getting ready to start doing cooking videos again. No, my house is not ready by any means. We still have some work to do, but the kitchen is ready for me to be back in it. And I'm ready to meet you guys here in my kitchen cooking for you. So I've got several recipes in mind, several planned things that we're going to make. And I'm actually going to film some easy stuff that just comes in a bag at some of these stores. Nothing you need to see on a regular basis. But I'm going to share with you my grocery haul. Now, I did say I would not do any more remodel updates. But some things have taken place that I do want to show you because you might see them in my cooking videos. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so keep in mind we're not finished yet. We still have trim and molding and the crown molding. Even around the cabinets we have crown molding. But look at my kitchen sink light fixture. It is like 3-tiered. They're all different lengths. And we'll turn them on for you. Let's see if I can figure out which switch it is. That's what nope, not that one. There we go. We can't decide whether or not to use, well, over my sink, I want the bright lights. But we've talked about using soft white lights in these, but I really like the brightness it gives. So we're not sure. So hang on, there's more. Okay guys, so keep in mind these were just put in today, so there is dust and debris all over the countertops. But I'm gonna back up and pan upward over the bar. We have 3 more lights. There they are on. So let me back up a little bit more. This is the lighting of my kitchen now. So there's all my groceries out there. Oh, he's going to show you. We can dim and brighten the recessed, and then we can cut individual things off. We can cut the bar lights off. We can cut the island light off. We can cut the sink light off. And so we are just tickle pink. My groceries are laid out over there, and I'm fixing to show you what I got at my grocery haul. And look here. The cutest thing that decorates my kitchen is sitting right there. Hey, Levi. Hey, darling.
Can you wave?
Hey.
Can you wave with your hand?
He says, no, I'm too busy eating.
I'm eating french fries.
And there's his mommy. Okay, guys, one other update. This is one of our dearest friends, Jason. He's come to get Bryant out of the doghouse and patch the areas that need to be patched.
Tell him why I'm in the doghouse.
He's in the doghouse because he keeps seeing cracks, and so he keeps deciding he's going to fix them, but then he don't fix them. But then I know he's going to, and then there's going to be dust everywhere. So Jason has come to save the day and patch those areas. Kevin has gone home for the day, and so this is going to take a load off of Kevin and help us out and help Kevin out too. Okay guys, so here is the Aldi haul. or Aldi as I say. But anyway, forgive any receptacle covers missing or whatnot because we are still not finished. But I am getting ready to do some cooking for you guys. So, but let's start here. I'm going to give it one more best effort. I've learned to like water. So I picked up these. They just have a flavor. They're not sweetened and they're not sparkling. Strawberry, grape, raspberry, and peach. So we're going to give those a try. If I don't like them, I know Isaac will drink them. Over here I have some russet potatoes that I'm going to make some French fries, some like home fries. We're going to do fried shrimp and fries. And so that's what those are for. I didn't need a whole bag, but a whole bag was cheaper than buying just 2 of them. So we got a whole bag. We love this as a quick side dish with meals. So that's that. Here, this is going to go for our summertime Thanksgiving in a bowl. So stay tuned for that. We're going to cook up some dry northern beans. We call them white beans. Bryant is not a huge fan of these, but we're going to cook those up with some ham steaks and just make a quick little supper. We could have a cantaloupe that I can cut up as a side for something. For lunches, I love me some beanie weenies. Our cereals here, this one is Bryant's and the Frosted Flakes is mine. We're going to make an orange pie, and I'm going to make it using Tang, so you'll see that coming up soon. Bryant, for his lunches, he loves soup, and so we got beef and barley, the Progresso, tomato basil, which is his favorite soup, and another beef and barley. Okay, and I got a beefaroni. Cream of celery. This is going to go in, I think it's a tater tot meal we're going to have. I have a head of cabbage so that the night we do our Great Northern beans, we can have a head of cabbage with that. So I'll fry up some cabbage. I'm going to show you a nice little quick dessert that you might scratch your head and say, But it is something my family has loved for a while. And so it calls for the pineapple slices. And I always get it in the heavy syrup. Some bouillon. I'm going to make one of my favorite Mexican dishes called flautas. And I'm going to use this cheese in it. So we're going to try this. I've never made it before. But we're going to try it. So I got this quesadilla Mexican style melting cheese and it's shredded. Here's our tater tots for our tater tot casserole. And it's a chicken tater tot casserole. So we're going to do it with chicken instead of hamburger. Here's some shrimp for our fried shrimp. Some Cool Whip. Sour cream. I've got several recipes that call for sour cream. And the eggs are in the wrong spot because those did not come from Aldi. Oh, this is not Aldi. Y'all, sorry. This is Walmart. Walmart haul. I don't know what I was thinking. But this is the Walmart haul right here. And eggs. So, okay, let's look and see what we got at Aldi. Okay, guys. So, here we are over at Aldi now. Since I was mistaken to begin with. I just got some paper plates and bowls. This was Bryant. Levi's fussing in the back. This is Bryant's, and I think he got into those before we even got out of the store. We have butter. We've got some pepper jack cheese. These flour tortillas are going to be used for my flautas that I'm going to make for our orange pie. Another one of Bryant's impulse buys. He got him some Lance crackers. We go through these a lot. We make taco salads with these. We eat it with chips and salsa, all kinds of stuff. Got us some spray, some butter spray, some sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk that I need for several recipes, a cream of chicken and a cream of mushroom. I've got a whole chicken that I will boil up and it will cook for several different recipes. So I've got a lot of chicken recipes coming up. So I got a whole chicken to boil up, and I got some chicken breasts. That one of the things we're going to make is a really crunchy fried chicken sandwich. And so I'll be using part of the breast for those. Salt, pepper, lots of spices. I needed some oregano, I needed onion powder, and I needed some paprika. And their spices are very reasonably priced. I can't remember. 99 cents? 99 cents a container. And I've always been really pleased with them. I can't say that I have any complaints. And here is the salsa that Bryant has got to go with our chips over there. I do a lot of cleaning and laundry with white vinegar, so there's that. Of course, we always need a gallon of milk. Levi is not happy. General Tso's chicken. This will be our supper tonight. This is just a quick, easy supper that I make a pot of rice to go with. It's delicious. I'm going to make this to go with it. Chicken lo mein. And I've got some egg rolls. Here is a ham steak. This is what I'm going to cut it in half or cut it into pieces to cook with our white beans and just fry it up. And that'll be our meat. We love the donut shop Keurig thing. So this is the Aldi brand, and we like this. This is so good. Lunch meat for sandwiches, sausage for a breakfast. Now, we normally buy Niece's, and Niece's looks identical to Frank Courier. The same logo and everything. But, so Aldi sells the Frank Courier, and it tastes just like Niece's. So sometimes it's a little leaner, and sometimes I have to add a little grease to it, but it's really good. I needed some onions, and here are my yellow potatoes in case I do stewed or mashed potatoes. This is what I use. Bacon bits for some recipes, green peppers. Bryant got him some sandwich bread, and I forgot to get me some at Walmart. Oh well. Here's the bacon. We'll use that in some of our dishes. And I got bacon bits in case I use up all this bacon for breakfast or other recipes. We'll always keep this on hand to use as a just in case. Needed some cups and some oil. Oh, Bryant's favorite vegetable here. Not really. I'm being facetious. He calls them dog ticks. But I like them with certain things, so got us some dog ticks or some sweet peas. So, okay, guys, there you have it. Getting ready to get back in the groove of cooking for you guys. Here is our Aldi, you say tomato, I say tomato, haul, and our Walmart haul, with the exception of waters. The waters are what threw me off because we did get those at Aldi. So, there you go. Okay, guys, so there you have it. There is my first official grocery haul to be cooking back for the farming pastor's wife and for you guys. So now I've got to get ready to put these away. Y'all, I am so excited to be in this beautiful kitchen cooking up a storm for you guys. I've got like several recipes. Now, I only bought just a few because we only have a few days before we head on vacation. But I'm going to be cooking for you guys on vacation, taking you with me, taking my tripod, taking everything. So get ready for lots of good cooking coming your way. Thank you guys for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. I love you guys so much. And I appreciate you more than you know. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all.